Roh Kudus-Mu tolong anak-anak kami. Mereka akan mengucapkan janji setia di dalam, supaya Tuhan rencana-Mu, mereka tidak akan gagal menjalaninya.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you.
Karena rencana-Mu Bapakku indah, benar dan suci adanya, dan tidak terbatalkan.
Nothing prepared me for the privilege of being yours.
Ya, saya bersedia.
Setia dan jujur dan hanya kematian yang dapat menceraikan kita sesuai dengan firman.
If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, I would've known what I was living for.
Dua, Nico and Grace, satu.